It's not something Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Energy Services based in the UK. A big thank you to all you guys who have subscribed to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about vacuum pump gears. Yes, vacuum pump gears. As you can see, we have these vacuum pumps manufactured here in the UK, these gears. And one of the problems that we faced last year was that demand outstrips supply. Now, the VGA kit that we sell and sell worldwide doesn't come with this gear, so you have to purchase the actual kit through ourselves to be able to do the duplex upgrade to the YD25 engine, which is in a range of Nissan cars and a range of Renault cars. So we've had this gear made so it actually fits straight onto your current spline. Now this is for the 2005 up to the 59 plate. Now, so it'll fit straight on there. Now the 2010, again, it'll fit straight on. I'll just quickly show you. That's the old single gear, guys. Away with that. Nissan should have away with that and all. Right, so there you go. It fits perfectly on. Now, like I said, one of the problems that we had last year, the company that we were using to produce these gears only had a small CNC machine. Well, this year we found a much larger company who can produce a much more at a time. And I think this week alone we've got actually 100 gears coming in, which is absolutely fantastic. So it means we can get more kits out to people around the world and save them in future repair bills when the chain snaps and it breaks your camshafts, breaks cam caps, and actually can scrap a cylinder head. So a repair can actually get quite costly. Right, now for 2010 to 2013, for the timing chain upgrade, not only do you need the vacuum pump gear, you actually need the balance shaft gear. That's the original one that Nissan have messed about with and pigged about with. Why ever they did that, I don't know. 2010 to 2013 vehicles, you'll actually need this balance shaft gear. Because of the position of the gears, this actually drives the balance shaft gear, so you'll actually need it. That's for the 2010, so remember that. I was seeing a lot of kits on eBay and they're selling them as 2010 to 2015 and they just simply won't fit. This is a 2014 vacuum pump for the YD25 engine that goes in the range of the 4x4s and the pickups. And our gear doesn't actually fit that at this moment in time. The spline is different, look, it's just spinning. So don't be duped into buying the wrong kit, and you know, you can make sure that you get what you need really. And that is absolutely perfect. So a big thank you to all you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. We've got plenty more coming out this year. We'll look forward to sharing it with you to save you time and money in future repairs. Big thanks for watching. If you need my help and assistance, please feel free to give me a call on outside of the UK's 44 1274 663 999, or from the UK it's 01274 663 999, or email West Yorkshire Engines, find us on Facebook and give us a like.